In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add a collaborator on Instagram after posting. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find all of your posts. Now navigate to the post for which you wanna add collaborator. After you launch the post, click on three dots given at the top right corner of the post. Then select the option edit. Now click on the option tag people. Now here you're going to find the option of invite collaborators. Click on that. Click on continue. Now search for the person to whom you want to add as collaborator. After the profile of that person appears, click on it. With that, you have just sent the collaborator request to that person. After the person accepts your collaboration request, the post will be added to their feed as well. And that's it. This way you can easily add a collaborator on Instagram after posting. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.